Hello everyone, this is Unboxing Bruce Lee by Infinity Studio Bust 101 from the legendary movie Game of Death. Very heavy, very solid bust. Very easy to put up together. Take me around 5 minutes. Silicone bust, punched hair, unbelievable. So don't think twice, pick one. Infinity Studio, guys, is a Chinese brand, my opinion the best in the world. I'm a Bruce Lee collector and this is definitely the holy grail. I hope you guys like it and get one for sure. Bruce Lee, Game of Death.